Killjoy, uncovered. What does it really mean? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English idiomatic expressions and understand the phrase, killjoy. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, how to use it in sentences, and the origin of the phrase. Killjoy is a noun in the English language, and it refers to a person who deliberately spoils the enjoyment of others or seems to find pleasure in ruining other people's good times. Imagine you're at a party having fun, and someone comes in and shuts off the music. That person might be called a killjoy. Example: Sarah always points out the negatives in every situation. She can be such a killjoy sometimes. To better understand the word, let's break it down. 1. Kill. This word, in this context, doesn't refer to actual killing. Instead, it implies ending or stopping. 2. Joy. This means happiness or pleasure. When combined, the term suggests the action of stopping or ending joy. Hence, a killjoy is someone who stops or diminishes the joy of others. Knowing synonyms can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Some synonyms for killjoy include wet blanket, party pooper, spoil sport, buzzkill. Example: don't be such a buzzkill. Let's enjoy the moment. The term killjoy has been in use since the early 18th century. While the exact origin is a bit murky, its usage over time has been consistent in describing individuals who dampen the spirits of others. The simplicity of the term, merging kill and joy, effectively conveys its meaning, which might explain its lasting popularity. And there you have it. Now you understand what a killjoy is, how to use it in a sentence, and its origins. Remember, language is rich and always evolving, and idioms like killjoy give it color and depth. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning and stay curious.